Hi and welcome. I am here today with REALME 8 and I'll be showing you how to both enable and disable NFC. So in the first step we have to open our notifications drawer. We do that by moving our finger from the very top to the bottom, like this. Now we have to expand this section just by moving our finger again across the screen downwards. Now swipe left. And as you can see, there's this NFC button right there. Tap on it to enable it, and tap on it again to disable it. So again, move your finger from top to the bottom to expand this section. Now open up this little window with several options. Swipe left, and NFC is right there. You can disable it by tapping on it again. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.